Hey, fabulous friends. Welcome back to MTH Health, your destination for everything that helps you feel confident and radiant. Today, we're diving deep into something that's become a total trend, Brazilian waxing. Now, whether you're a first-timer or you've been through this before, you really don't want to miss today's video. We're going over the common mistakes that can make this beauty ritual a disaster. Stick around, because I'm about to save you a lot of stress. Why has Brazilian waxing become the go-to choice for hair removal? Well, it's because it's smooth, it's lasting, and for many, it just feels right. Think about it. No shaving bumps, no stubble after a few days. You get to enjoy that soft, silky feeling for weeks without the hassle of daily maintenance. But let's face it, even the best Brazilian waxing can go awry if you aren't careful. So, let's talk about the biggest mistakes you want to never make. I'm not here to scare you, but I want to make sure your waxing experience is as smooth as your skin after. First mistake, not prepping your skin properly. This is one of those things that's easy to overlook, but trust me, it can make or break your waxing session. You need to exfoliate a few days ahead of time. This removes dead skin and helps prevent those pesky ingrown hairs later. Now, onto the wax itself. Applying it wrong is a classic error. First, you don't need a thick layer. A little goes a long way. Using too much is just going to make everything more difficult. Trust me. So, your wax is off, you're feeling smooth, but there's still one crucial step, aftercare. If you skip this, you might as well have skipped the whole thing. Okay, now you know what to avoid. Let's talk about a few tips to make the process smoother. And yes, less painful. Now, let's wrap up with a couple more things to keep in mind. If you're not feeling 100% confident in your DIY waxing skills, always consider going to a professional. There's no shame in that, and an experienced technician can save you time and stress. So, there you have it. Avoid those mistakes, follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to smooth, flawless skin in no time. I'd love to hear from you. What's your waxing experience been like? Drop your stories and tips in the comments below.